Today, I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iPhone. Before we begin, make sure that you have the Shortcuts app installed and that your iPhone is updated to iOS 14 or later. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open the Shortcuts app. After opening Shortcuts, navigate to the Automation tab, after which you'll have to tap on New Automation. Tap the app option at the top of the screen to open the selection menu. Select the apps that you'd like to be locked, then tap the Done button. After tapping Done, make sure that the Is Open option is selected. Select Run immediately in the menu. After that, make sure Notify when Run is off, then tap Next. On this screen, tap New Blank Automation. Next, tap Add Action. Then, in the search field, search for Lock Screen. Then, tap on the Lock Screen option in the search results. Next, click Add to Shortcut. Next up, click Done. Now, let's test our automation. Open one of the apps that you selected and see if it locks. As you can see here, the app locks and requires you to authenticate to get back in. Wanna add more apps to be locked? Simply go back into Shortcuts and tap the Automation tab. Then, tap the shortcut you made. Next, click when any of blank apps are opened. Now click on any blank apps when the selection menu shows up. Choose the additional apps, then click Done, and Done again. Now, let's try again to see if our newly added apps work. Go to the app and see if it locks. If it locks, then we're good to go. You can see here that the newly added Calculator app locks when I try to open it. And that's how you lock apps on your iPhone. If you've any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe and enable notifications. See you next time.